This channel has been making $15,000 a month consistently for months. They average 1 million views a month, and as you can see, what they do is they post these Disney Pixar style animations on Bible and stories and different topics from Bible. So as you can see, this style is pretty unique, originally created by Disney and Pixar movies, as we all know, and they use this style of animation in their own videos to create new narratives. Let's watch it together.
Repent. Instead, she hardened her devotion to Baal and sought the life of
So as you can see,
Elijah, who at the beginning of the drought had fled
we've got that artistic Disney Pixar style
to meet
in each scene, specifically used to create all of the animations, all of the visuals
prophets of
and scenes across the video.
table. He brought them down to the Kishon Valley and slaughtered
There's a cool voiceover behind,
400.
and
Enough, Lord.
we've got different animations for each scene, specifically created for each scene. As you can see,
Get up and eat.
in some parts we also see the characters talking. So the idea is how we can actually make these videos, to make this kind of style videos, and how we can actually model the success of this channel and create a similar channel that is making $15,000 a month. So in this video, I'm going to show it quickly in just a few minutes how you can actually model this channel and use this style for videos related to Bible and religious context, but you can actually adapt this style for any niche that you like. You can use this Disney Pixar style obviously for kids stories, just like we did in our previous videos. You can check that video that I share here. So we were doing some kid animation videos, but it was not the Disney Pixar style. You can actually adapt this Disney Pixar style to create kid animation videos, kid story videos, bedtime story videos. So it's actually possible to adapt this visual context, which is really cool and liked by the audience, to adapt to different channel concepts and topics across YouTube, which is gonna be really a creative way to make stunning videos. So let me show you quickly how you can actually make these videos for, like this channel, for Bible and religious context, which has got a huge fan and audience base on YouTube, and mainly elderly people, which is bringing a higher RPM and higher revenue for this kind of videos if YouTube monetization is your priority and main concern. So what I want to do is really simple. I go to any viral video of the channel. I'm just going to follow the same procedure that I've had in my previous videos if you have watched them, but obviously there will be some tweaks and different options and selections that I'm going to be adapting special to this niche and concept. Okay, so what I do is I just copy the link of this viral video that I've seen on YouTube. Then I go to my AI tool, Direct AI. So in Direct AI, we've got a bunch of features. As you can see, we've got ideation, we've got video generators, we've got new feature video presets rolling out. But the one that I want to continue with first is the ideation section. All right. So for ideation, I just paste my link and click on generate ideas. So now what it's going to do is it's going to research this example topic and will come up with similar ideas that I can use in my new video. So after making its research with hundreds of similar videos in this niche and similar videos, it's just going to give me a bunch of new ideas. So as you can see, it's already created. I've got 10 new viral worthy ideas that I can use in my new video. So the example video is about Jezebel, the story of Jezebel, powerful animated Bible story of power, corruption, judgment. And when we check the example ones that have been suggested to me, the rise of King Saul, the story of Samson, Delilah, the story of Ruth and Naomi. As you can see, very, very similar topics that we are all familiar from the Bible and religious context. So I just continue with this David and Goliath story, which we all know. So what I want to do is now I want to continue with this ultra video generator option. So most people are confused with this these two options, right? So with the video generator, what you generally want to create is simple videos with mostly images and text and voiceover, right? And where people usually listen to videos rather than actively watching it. We call this kind of videos generally AI stories. So you're stacking up many photos in the video. Sometimes even 5-6 photos or 1-2 photos is enough, because people just listen to the video other than actively watching it. They just listen while driving or something like that. So if you want to create a channel concept like that, which I show in my other videos, you are going to continue the video generator option. But if you want to create intense animations like this, all right, so what you want to do is you want to continue with Ultra Video Generator option. So when you continue with Ultra Video Generator option, you will see that when you use all animation option, like intense animations across all of the video, we will see high credit consumption and high credit costs for our video. So that's why I suggest you to go with additional credits, top-up credits, which is a lot cheaper than the base subscription price to create this kind of animated videos. So if you want to create just AI stories with simple images and voiceover, I think the base subscription of Direct AI will be enough for you. You can just go and create those type of videos for a very cheap price. But if you want to create this kind of higher quality, intense animated videos, I would highly suggest to go and buy one of these top up credits, which is relatively cheaper to the base subscription, all right, and just create as much as you want. So these options are very creator friendly. As you can see, 1 million credits is around $160. So now what I want to do is, let's say that you have your base subscription and you have your credits, top up credits. Now you want to create this intense animation movie documentary, right? Okay, what I want to do is really simple. So you copied the link of the example video, you created your very first video idea by ideation, you chose one of those ideas suggested to you, then you're going to select some options for your new video. The first one is the length of your new video. Let's go with, for example, a 4-minute video around 500 words, something like that. I like 4-minute length. All right, that's fine. For voice and audio section, I'm gonna choose a voice model. I can go with a normal one. I've got a bunch of cool 11 Labs voices here actually. I've got Adam, I've got Michael, I've got Liam, as you can see, and here.
Welcome to DirectAI. This is a preview of how this voice sounds.
These ones are really fine and nice, but I just want to make it a bit more premium touch. So I'm assuming you already have got your top-up credits as well. It's not going to be a problem for you to going with a premium voice model as well. So I'm going to go with Roger, which I like.
This is a premium voice demo for DirectAI.
Yeah, I think there's not much big difference in terms of voice quality, but especially if you are making videos in other languages, premium voice models have got option to transcribe different languages as well. But if you're doing only in English, I think you can find even more options in the normal space, because the premium options are, as you can see, more limited than focused ones for specific use cases. So just check both of those and use whatever you like. I think there's not a big difference between these two. So I'm just going to go with Roger for now. Then what I want to do is I'm going to continue with the background music. Okay, so for background, I've got a bunch of options here. So this list is actually being updated frequently. So you're going to see new options soon. But even now, I've got a bunch of different options that I can use for a video like this. So maybe something like meditation Zen or mystical fantasy. Yeah, it's up to your taste, you know. I can continue the meditation Zen, something slow, and just keep it 1-2% volume, not to block the voiceover. And after doing that, I'm going to continue with the image style. So now I can use a built-in style, and this list is going to be updated very soon. We will have new options, but I want to upload my own style, right? So that AI can analyze it and use and adapt to my new video. So I go to the example video and take a screenshot from few scenes that I see on the video. For example, this scene seems nice. I take a screenshot. Another scene. Take a screenshot, and maybe this one as well. So I just took these screenshots, and I'm going to give these 3 screenshots to my tool by upload files method. So now it can analyze these reference images and use the exact same animation visual style in my new video. All right, so this is okay. I close this window. Now I go with an AI model. So you can go with a normal AI model to decrease the cost and make sure about the quality before going for the premium. All right, and you can actually do that, but just to be on the safe side and to be able to get the most highest quality, I'm going to go with a premium one for now. Okay, premium model has got more capability of analyzing that reference images and adapting. So usually with popular styles like Disney Pixar style, normal model can actually work as well, but the beauty of the tool is that it can actually analyze any kind of visual style that you see on YouTube. So that, let's say that you see a random visual style on YouTube, right? And you want to copy the visual concept of that channel and you don't know where to start. What you do is you just take a few screenshots, come to here, give to the AI tool, it just analyzes it, works it, and then come up with the exact same style for your new video. And premium model does this better for wider range of selection of visual styles available on YouTube. All right. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to go with the premium. But as I said, you can absolutely continue with normal as well, which will drastically decrease the cost of the video. So now what I want to do is I want to animate all of the images inside my video. So this is going to be a fully animated video that's going to have full animations across all of my video, just like a documentary, just like a cartoon movie that I can directly share on YouTube. So I don't need some zoom effects extra. If I were to use just images, I would suggest this option to bring some dynamism, but I don't need it for now. I highly suggest to go and click on review images option, because even though the AI analyzes and does everything almost perfect, sometimes some slight errors might happen, or you don't like some scenes and want to change it. If you don't choose this option, you won't be able to change any scene and you will just get the exported video, all right? But if you choose this option, it will ask you to review the images before even creating and turning them into an animation. So this way you are going to be able to regenerate or slightly change some scenes and make sure about the quality, and that's a great way to make the video top notch and without any bug. All right, if I were to choose captions, I could customize it, but I see that in my example video there's no captions at all, so I'm not going to select that. So what I do is I just go and click generate video. As you can see, it costed around 60,000 credits. So with base credits, you get 75,000 credits. So it's a lot of credits if you wanna just use your base credits. But as I said, if you wanna create these intense animations, you need to go for top up credits option, which is like a lot cheaper than the base credits you are given. All right. So you're gonna get the subscription, direct AI subscription. Then on top of that, you're gonna get these top-up credits, which is like $160 for 1,000,000 credits. So this video is around 60,000 credits. So you can make around 16 videos like this for your channel. And considering that this channel is posting only 37 videos, across like a year, there's a lot of videos, right? 16 videos even is a lot of videos. I would just maybe increase the length to 15-20 minutes, and decrease the monthly posting schedule to 2 videos or 3 videos, something like that. Okay, so this is it. Now AI is going to analyze my viral video script, write me a similar script for my new video topic, then create my voiceover, create my images, turn them into animations, add everything together, put everything together, and will give me a final video that I can download and upload to YouTube. And here we go, our video is ready, let's check it out.
His name would echo through history not as a king, but as a shepherd boy who defied an empire. A young man who stood when armies trembled, who faced a giant with nothing but faith and 5 smooth stones. This is a story where courage confronted terror, where divine purpose collided with human pride, and where one moment of faith changed the destiny of a nation forever.
So as you can see, we've got everything we wanted. We've got the voiceover, we've got the Disney Pixar style scenes and animations consistently used across all of the video. The AI has adjusted the length according to the script and the natural flow of the script, so it can be around 3 minutes, even though we have selected it like 4 minutes. It just adapts whatever suits best for the video and knows where to use and how long it should be used. All right, so everything is fine. As you can see, I've got consistent character improvement across the video with Disney Pixar style. As I said, you can actually adapt this style to any niche that you can think of. For example, kid animation stories is a wonderful example of that. But if you were to model a Bible channel like this, a religion channel like this, you can actually make this happen. You can also adapt this to other religions, like you can make it for Islam, for Buddhism, using this exact Disney Pixar style. All right, so if you were to try Direct AI and make videos like this, I'm gonna put a link right below this video. You can access to the tool with an additional 20% discount code. So that was it for this video. See you in the next one.